Rich Nation, reach at the airport, you know. Yeah, don't know, big dirty spirit.
The leverage, the leverage, yeah. The leverage, the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
Well. Good morning, Leverage Nation. You don't know anything going on. You know what time it is. You don't know? Frown City. The black pull over, you know what time it is, you know. Airport moving, you know, so you don't know. So today we are going to Jamaica, Kingston. So you don't know, we're going to show you what I go on and what I go on. Airport. Yeah, so here we know Leverage Nation. You know, for you see the pullover, the black pullover, you don't know the favorite traveling pullover, you know. So here we are going to do special edition this, you know. Right now, we are waiting on the ride for go airport, Fort Lauderdale. They don't know anything, but when we look, I see how a nice piece of things, so follow me and see if we can, you know, try flirt with it or try get the number. You know, I think go Leverage. Yeah, man, so we get back when the ride pull up, you know, or ride share, so yeah, man, I just work the tactics. I don't know anything go leverage, son. Yeah, see it there, leverage. You don't know anything go. Yeah, so welcome back, Leverage Nation. You don't know, right, just forward, you know. Let's see. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
See belt, you know. Oh, this not working.
You
Oh.
don't need to put on this.
Oh yeah?
I don't think so. You're a grown man, right?
Oh, that's how you do it? Hmm. So how you doing?
I'm good. Why do you have a camera in your hand? Are you a vlogger?
Yeah, just start out vlogging, you know. You know, anything go.
Okay.
Vlog each and every way. Thing small right now, but you know, it's growing, it's getting there. You know where we're going, right?
Says you're going to the airport, right?
Yeah, Fort Lauderdale. Okay.
Where are you heading?
Jamaica, Kingston.
That's where I'm from.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, hear the accent, so figure you're on Trini or something.
What's your name?
Yeah. So in Jamaica you're from? Kingston?
Yep. Born and raised.
Okay. Kingston bad girl. Imagine how I do that episode.
You see that minute, you can't do that.
been to Jamaica? You went back to Jamaica.
The last time I was back, it was like 2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years. Oh. So you need to go back soon then, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some island breeze.
So you make your boyfriend take you.
So like I try getting out my business now.
No, I'm not getting into your business, but you know, just have to say, make your boyfriend take you.
Okay.
Why you not a boyfriend?
So I can take myself too.
Yeah, you can take yourself, but you know, Bakey would be better.
Okay.
So you say you take yourself, or what? You know, no man.
Ask me?
Yeah, ask you if you have no boyfriend, husband,
I
man.
don't want nobody.
You don't want nobody?
No.
Why you don't want nobody now?
Just not look nobody right now.
So now always go on and say man, but now with nobody.
Oh no?
Oh no, females.
I'm an individual.
Yeah, but you're a group of species. Yeah. Yeah, man. I know. Need to go down and just enjoy them jerk chicken and all that stuff, you know. Oh, sorry, I never get the name. What's your name? What's your name?
Huh?
I never got your name. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Okay. I'm gonna look on this because you hesitating if I got to say it up on the app. Okay. Ash. So I want this.
Straight.
Oh yeah, go over. You need to merge over to the right. No, a GPS, you know. Take it a long way. So, oh shit. Huh? Over. See, there it is. Okay. Okay. You see that? You feel that?
Let care?
Mm.
Drive every day, so you know.
That not for so.
What me I go do? I just get in from gas, get out. You know what I mean?
Alright, now I need some iced coffee.
This way.
Yeah.
Have some Blue Mountain. Only coffee that will not have aftertaste. Every coffee in America have a little bitter aftertaste. That just come like it just pure. And it gets you where you need to go. Yeah.
if you make me get the number. A smile, eh?
I'll think about it. I'll let you know when we get to the airport.
You let me know. Sorry, I don't want to be rude and all that unprofessional, you know, because, you know, I know it go. Probably a lot of guys hit on you while they're driving. But, you know, I just, yeah, look nice, so I have to ask, you know. Yeah, leverage nation, you see. Reach at the airport, you know. Lunch. Leverage nation, reach at the airport, you know. Yeah, don't know, big dirty spirit. Yeah, man, I don't know our style. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Yeah, so you know, we're going at the line and where? Leverage nation. Wait. Yeah, leverage nation, so we just get out of security. I guess the machine with a mess up, so yeah, get through now. We are going to get with it. We're kind of fine still, you know. Yeah, man, check out the place. We are going G4, G7. Yeah. So yeah. You know leverage. We not do it too long, you know. Just a show you in the party, you know. Yeah. That it is leverage nation. That is it, leverage nation. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Hold up. check out the place. But it's not making it. Burger King, everything. You know a leverage. Yeah. G4.
75 service to Kingston, Jamaica. Please proceed to the gates for an immediate departure. Once again, this is the final boarding call for JetBlue Flight 1375. Service to
Fort Lauderdale,
Kingston,
Kingston.
Jamaica, leaving at gate G9. Please proceed to the gates for immediate departure. Thank you.
Away.
This is the final boarding call for JetBlue Flight 39 with service to San Jose, Costa Rica, out of the gate G10. Final boarding call. All customers, all rooms are locked. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is David boarding for Spirit Airlines Flight 720. We're waiting for the security team to complete their check. Once that is completed, and the flight attendants to their check.
Leverage. No, I think go. Well, Leverage Nation, I don't know, sir.
Leave at 10:35.
We in the port, Fort Lauderdale. That's a way for food, but I try to see, I don't know a special place we can get some iced coffee or something, you know? Yeah. I think that we are walk back, you know? Yeah. Yo, wagwan. We are up on the plane. Alright, Leverage Nation, sit there, we are up on the plane now. G4. Bam bam. G4. Bombat.
To the door marked G4 for
But I did already, man.
Once again, this is the final and immediate boarding call for Spirit
Them and me and battery.
23 with non-stop services to Kingston, Jamaica on
Hey, Leverage Nation. Them a talk about take off today. We're not there when they pull over, we say, man. Oh, yeah, scan the thing for going. Oh, yeah, we're there in our plane now. Morning. Leverage Nation right now just come off of them. We reach a Kingston, you know? So, we'll get back to you know. We'll walk down to go to the immigration tomorrow. Okay. Catch a prey. The plane there we are come out. Bam bam. Yeah. Yeah, see it, Leverage Nation. Reach. Probably just show you when you reach outside. And that would be that for this video, but yeah, we get back to now because we are going through immigration soon, so you know we can't video in the say, you know. You know Leverage. Leverage, you know, we done quick and fast because we don't know back out, but we have, so we don't know like that set, you know. So you know I think we reach out or so. Outside we are going, you know. Through the place we reach. So yeah, we reach and things, so you know it go. You know a Leverage. Just draw some funds, you know, so first I see new money then, but yeah man. Leverage Nation, see it there, reach and land, you know, you see the thing. Just forward out airport road, you know, and forward on the town side, you know. But I know, say, that, no, say that a Leverage. So remember, like, comment, share and subscribe, you see it? That's just the travel vlog. Mother thing for come later. Check it out. I'm out.